Here we go, guys. Okay, here I have one glass. If you put your finger in the wine glass, just get water in your finger, and then rub around here.
Very cool.
I'm controlling your mind. Bye, guys.